Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got an email a few minutes ago about a new video on the SDR Play YouTube channel. And this one is about how much PC do you need in building a low-cost SDR system, which is a lot of interest to people because they want to use their SDR, but they don't want to tie up their main computer. So Steve, who does these videos, goes into what is the minimum hardware PC-wise that you can use and use the latest version of SDRuno to control your SDR Play device. And it turns out, surprisingly, it's not as demanding as you think it is, but there's a lot of key things you need to do. For instance, he talks about things running in background like Windows updates and stuff like that. You need to make sure they're turned off. Anyway, go and watch this video. It's very informative. If you'd like to set up a dedicated PC to run your SDR Play devices, this is the information you need. And also just sign up to his channel if you are interested in SDR Play or SDRuno, because he has a lot of great videos. And getting started with SDRuno can be kind of a little bit overwhelming, but him and Mike have a lot of good videos to help you get started. So check them out. I want to thank the people at SDR Play for sending me the RSP 1A for review. I'm hoping someday they'll send me the Duo. And have a great day. Bye-bye.